Good afternoon, everybody. I'm checking on this blue diamond here. Got 1 minute left. There's a chance I might enter it first. If I go to my trade tab, I'm going to see active trader. I'm going to wait on the 690 calls. Just wait until the candle closes in about 30 seconds. But if we stay on here, I'm going to look to enter it and then try to close out, ideally near the R4. If you got in a little early, would have possibly worked out, but just wait until the candle. For 691, you go slightly in the money at the 690, and as an enter, you go on the active trader, buy 3 at the 690. Entered in at 1.49. It's already at 1.57. Might be too quick. I might have wanted to close the limit on it. 1.49, starting to drop a little. So I'm going to keep the stops on here. I'm going to look for around 1.57 again. If it hits, I might just close 2 and then break even on the others. It's really close. Just waiting on it. You see some continued up move would be good. 0.56, just really close. I might just take a quick one here. And close it. Just a slight little nudge. It hit 1.6. Okay, I'm out. 1.47 on the runner. Oh, 1.7. I'm going to try to get a little bit profit on the runner. 1.5 or so. I'm going to give it a little bit of room just in case it keeps moving up. Yeah, I saw that up move. And as it moves up, I'm going to move both of these up. If we get to R3, I'll probably close out the limit. 1.7, let's lock in a little bit. So I'm pretty much, my runner is right at where I close my 2 contracts. So what I like to do is to try to get the runner to be close to where I got out of my initial 2 contracts, where I'm at a net profit no matter what happens at this point. And then as it moves up, I'm going to move up my stop, possibly move up my limit. R4 is a bit of a run. .64 is fine. If we get to 1.58, 1.72. Move up a little, 1.6. It might stop out, but it's fine. As it moves up, I move up. 1.7, I'll move up a little. This is more of a scalping. If I was swing trading, I wouldn't be doing that. For the R4 ideally, and try to creep up the stop as it moves up. And if you want to be more looser on it, you could put your runner at where you entered. Try to let it run up as more of a swing trade instead of a scalp. But I'm fine with a quick scalp here because the video might take too long if I do that and wait a long time anyway. You can see the diamond setup worked out well because if you entered right at that close right here and we're higher than it, Let's go around 1.9, I'll be good. 0.71, I might creep up a little bit. And 7.4, I'll move up a little with it. 1.65 for my stop. 1.64 or so. I'm going to zoom in more and see it better. This is the actual candles of the option premium. If we get to 1.8 or so, I'm going to move up my stop to 1.7 or so. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait at this point. I missed moving my initial 2 contracts when it jumped up because I closed it out a little bit quicker. And it's okay. It's a guaranteed profit right now. This might stop out. Real close. And stopped out of the 1.64. That's how it's done, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good rest of the day, everybody.